Alright guys, I'm here in Pasig, Manila with my friend Michael. What's up, Michael?
Hey, hey, how you doing?
And so we're actually on top of the apartment building here, rooftop, and we're looking out. Check out this view. But we've decided to throw up the drone and see if we can get some aerial shots of Pasig in Metro Manila. And so you've been flying this one in Vietnam?
Yeah, I got it when I was in Vietnam, flew a heap in Vietnam, and then been living in Manila for a while now.
Yeah.
So
and it's done you well
here so far.
All right, let's switch over to the Mavic Pro 2 Zoom GoPro mode. Careful of that roofing thing there.
Yeah.
On here would be great. This is the roof.
Actually, we can walk on the other side and you get a better view of the street.
Sure.
Take it a long way. So I can set up a time lapse here and just
Oh, great. Market over there, and a busy road here.
in the evening. This is just fully
Congested people. Yeah.
Because you've also got these jeeps that stop and people get in them, and
Right.
buses and whatever else.
I guess the peak times are in the morning, early in the afternoon, late afternoon, finishing work.
Yeah, from about 5 p.m. until about 9 p.m. is rush hour. And just sort of underneath the bridge, see that's the UV Express, that's what you go to Megamall.
Merchant.
But it's not showing, you know, it's just,
Yeah.
sometimes I can view from here, but sometimes it's
Yeah.
it's better when the sun's setting.
So we're here in one of the malls. Just coming to see if I can get a phone repaired. I've got a Samsung phone. So just want to see what the price is going to be and how long it's going to take to repair. Hopefully it's quite reasonable and they can do it within the next few hours, but we've got to look for someone that can repair. So there's a few of these around here, and maybe we can look at doing some of our repairs. So we went to one back there that kind of didn't want to get filmed, but they're roughly around 250 New Zealand dollars. We're looking for another one. So there's quite a lot of these stores here.
They want someone who's
Oh, this guy's not here, so which isn't cool, but got quite a bit of gadgets here, phone repairs. No repair. What about this guy here?
hello. Phone repairs?
Well, it's the edge, yeah. Front and back. Front and back, yeah. You can repair?
Have no available back. No available.
Not available for the bag.
Not available?
Go to Samsung Service Center
Where?
Samsung
in
service.
Megamall.
Megamall. Oh, that's where you're going.
That's where I'm going. Ah, okay. I'll go there and see what they can do. Okay. Thank you for your help. No worries.
Thank you.
All right. So we tried our luck there, and they couldn't really repair it because they didn't have a back cover for this S7 Edge. So we're going to go to another Mega Mall where they've got lots of gadgets. It's got like a couple of floors of gadgets. And
It's 2 floors of but it's not like this. It's official.
yes.
Stuff. So yeah, we'll see. It's weird going down an escalator and there's no.
It's
moving.
not working. It's not even going up as well.
They just turning this one
It's
off.
stairs. Escalator stairs.
Yeah. When it's not busy, they turn it off. So I'll show you where the UV Express is, which is.
So yeah, I'm gonna catch like a kind of like a taxi, kind of carpool taxi type thing.
It's a van, but it's a proper service. So there's the Jeeps, which they would take you to Robinson's Galleria.
Yeah.
But you want to go to Megamall, so you take the UV
Yeah.
from here. That's just because of the route.
Okay.
It's going SM Megamall
SM Megamall.
from Antipolo to
So when you see one of those,
Mall of Asia is an SM Mall of Asia, which was the largest mall in Asia. But I think the Mega Mall was actually metered in size. And now there's a few other ones that are even bigger here. They really love their malls here in the Philippines.
and I see they've got like this a little sign on the front window up the top as to where they're going, so that can help people to.
Yeah, it helps you know. So they put up different bits.
And they've even got some right down the bottom, so it can show you where you're going, so you don't get confused. And the price is pretty cheap. I mean, how many k's is it away? Like 4 or 5 k's away,
Yeah, it's about 4 k's away.
and it's about 25.
I mean, I've run it, but you don't feel good
this guy's a runner.
coming back.
So it's about 25 pesos.
Yeah, 25.
About probably 70 or 80 cents or something like that. So
Yeah,
it's
it's
reasonably pretty cheap. So I mean, this is pretty much the services they've got here. They've got the Jeeps as well,
Keeps going.
and
One route.
you're kind of packed in there like sardines. So I'm going to be surprised to see if they can squeeze me into those vans. So
The good thing about the vans is they've got air conditioning. The
Oh, cool.
Jeeps don't.
so now we're just waiting for a Mega Mall.
So that one might.
One of them might be.
Yeah.
What do they call these express service vehicles? UV,
UV Express, it's just the name of the company.
ultraviolet, UV. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Ultra van maybe. Here we go.
There we go, Megamall. That's the one you want?
Is it Mega Mall? Mega Mall. Mega Mall. Front.
No, you have to go in there.
Okay, I'll have to squeeze in here.
Joy, give us a buzz if you have issues coming back.
Thanks a lot, Mike. We'll see you. Let the old man in, and I'll try and squeeze in. Science style.
Isang estrada po.
Diyan ka bang Richmond? Saan kwenta yun?
Isang estrada.
All right, we are here at the Mega Mall. Just come in the UV Express. It's about 25 pesos, which is roughly about 80 cents New Zealand, which is pretty cheap. Now I'm going to go through the security and into the mall and look for a place to try and fix this Samsung Edge. Back in Vietnam it cost around 300 New Zealand dollars to look at fixing it. I've been quoted here at one place 250 New Zealand dollars. So hopefully I can get it for a bit cheaper. So I'm going to check it out and see what happens anyway. Let's head on into the mall. Smell the food here. Very, very nice. Anyway guys, we are going to head to the electronic floors and check out some of the gadgets, as well as try and fix this phone, grab some lunch, try and get some Filipino food if I can, vegetarian or vegan style, which is quite rare because they love their meat here, chicken, beef, all sorts of things. Anyway, let's head on up. I've made it to the SM Cyber Zone. So this is like the tech department of this mega mall. I got JBL, MSI, computers, cameras, all sorts of different stuff. Anyway, we're going to head on down and look for some gadgets and a place to fix the Samsung. So we're just waiting here at the Samsung repair department. And going to get a quote to try and fix the Samsung. So we managed to go to the Samsung store and to the repair section. They could repair it, but it will take a couple of weeks, and I don't have that time here in Philippines. So I'm going to try one of these other little outlets around this floor in the cyber zone and see if they can do it in a few hours, which would be pretty cool. If not, I'll have to do it back in Vietnam. Anyway, I am feeling hungry as well, so I want to get moving and grab something to eat. Alright guys, so we're going to take the phone into Android zone and see if we can get it repaired in here. Alright guys, so we're here at Android zone in the heart of Cyber Zone in the SM Megamall Manila here in the Philippines, and I've just given my Samsung over to get repaired. A new back and front screen from these guys here. Cool guy, and hopefully you can pick it up in another couple of hours. So looking forward to that. So gonna head down and grab something to eat, come back, and hopefully it'll be done. Alright guys, so I'm here at the SM Megamall and I bumped into another vlogger. This is Raul. What's up?
Hi, good afternoon.
Yeah, so where are you from? There,
Yeah,
Raul?
I'm Quezon City actually. And also, I am also a blogger doing some
What kind of vlogging are you doing?
documenting pet food, shelters actually, in shelters in BY and in Quezon City or even Manila.
Like shelters for homeless people?
Yeah,
or?
no, for homeless dogs and
For
cats.
dogs,
yes,
for cats, dogs.
And we're going to see this channel.
Sphere Cyber TV.
Yeah,
There
Sphere
you go.
Cyber TV.
So this is your channel.
Yeah,
Okay.
I am actually one of the anchor there.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, okay.
All the best with your channel and everything like that. There we go.
Yeah.
The vlogger man himself.
Yeah.
He's a pretty cool guy, man, full of enthusiasm. He basically runs a dog shelter for stray dogs and things like that. I did not want to mention that I stay in Vietnam where they eat dogs, so that might put him off a bit, but if I got some time over the next few days that I'm here, I might go and shoot over to where he is and check out his dog shelter and do a bit of vlogging and see what we can do to try and help him out. Pretty cool guy. Alright guys, so we are down on the lower ground floor of the Super Mega Mall, or the SM Mega Mall they call it. Time to grab something to eat. meaty. Lots of variety of different stuff here. This food court is huge. Extends right over the other side. I'm going to have a bit of a walk around and check out some of the food stalls here. Spanish tapas. As you know, Philippines was kind of semi-colonized by Spain a bit. But lots of meat dishes. This guy. Alright, we've got a vegetarian. Just what I like. Let me try there, more vegetables. That's great. Okay. Alright guys, time to eat and drink. Little snack. Alright, it's the food court. Time to go back and check up on the phone. See how it's going. Anyway guys, I need to go and exchange some currency. So I'm looking for a currency exchange place that can do that. I'm on one of the floors where there's a lot of like makeup and wares and stuff like that, so hopefully someone can help me. Is that a currency exchange place there? Okay, great. We found one right over there. Jollibee, one of their favorite eateries. This guy. Anyway guys, managed to grab some money so I can sort out this Samsung phone. It's going to cost about 250 New Zealand dollars to get a new screen and a new back for the S7. This guy. Now the mall's getting really packed because it's about 6 p.m. so people have finished work, finished school, and so they're coming into the mall to get themselves dinner and whatnot. We're going to head back up and check out the Samsung, see how it's going. Phone already fixed?
Yes.
Very good, already fixed. Look at that guys. Awesome. So this is Android Zone.
Yes, so
Android Zone. Here in Cyberzone, SM Megamall, Manila, Philippines. Boom. To get picked up again, we have to go across the other side, and to get to the other side we need to go up this escalator, down the other side across the road. So these two malls are connected with the road in the middle. So let's head on over there and grab our other taxi back to Pasig. Alright guys, had a busy day today, checking out the SM Megamall and a few other places. Ended up back here at my friend's place, so yeah, we're gonna call it a night. Haven't really got much of a plan over the next few days. I'm just gonna play it by ear and see what happens. I was gonna look at going down to Boracay, one of the beaches, famous beaches, but we'll see how the weather pans out. In the meanwhile, we'll see you guys on the next video. Give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life guys.